It is believed that milk products were incorporated into the human diet around 5000 BC, with the domestication of milk-producing animals. However, milk spoiled easily, making it difficult to use. Around this time, herdsmen in the Middle East stored milk in bags made from the intestinal gut of animals and hung them from their camels' backs. While the herdsmen traveled in the hot sun, the milk was transformed into a tangy custard. The milk congealed because of intestinal juices found within the bag, along with the warmth and agitation from the camel's movements. These were ideal conditions for causing the milk to curdle and sour, thus creating the first yogurt. The word yogurt is Turkish in origin, meaning thicken, coagulate, or curdle. Genghis Khan, the founder of the Mongol Empire, is said to have fed yogurt to his army, based on the belief that it instilled strength and bravery in his warriors. Yogurt was brought to Europe in 1542 by the French king Francis I. He ate yogurt to cure himself from a severe case of diarrhea. In 1905, Lactobacillus B was discovered to be responsible for the fermentation of milk to produce yogurt. 4 years later, Elie Mechenhoff proposed a scientific explanation for the beneficial effects of yogurt. Isaac Caruso commercialized the production of yogurt, but initially sold it as a medicine through pharmacies. Yogurt found commercial success when Isaac began producing yogurt mixed with jams. His yogurt factory later became known as Dannon. Yogurt is a simple ecosystem and relies on the interaction between two thermophilic lactic acid bacteria, Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus B. The traditional ratio of the two bacteria is 1:1. Streptococcus thermophilus is weakly proteolytic and grows initially. It quickly uses up all the available amino acids in the milk and produces pyruvic acid, formic acid, and CO2, which stimulates the growth of Lactobacillus B. In turn, the Lactobacillus B produces peptides and amino acids that stimulate the growth of both organisms. Yogurt production begins with the breakdown of lactose into glucose and galactose. The glucose produced from this catabolic step then enters glycolysis, producing pyruvate. Pyruvate then enters lactate fermentation and produces lactic acid. The production of lactic acid during the fermentation process contributes to the sour taste of yogurt. Additionally, the decrease in pH from the lactic acid causes the casein protein to coagulate and precipitate. Yogurt is made with a variety of ingredients, including milk, bacterial cultures, sugars, stabilizers, fruits, and flavors. This is the process of yogurt production. After the milk is collected, its composition is standardized to achieve the desired fat and solids content. Dried milk is added to increase the amount of whey protein to provide the desired texture. The milk mixture is then pasteurized. The purpose of this high heat treatment is to first denature the whey proteins. This causes it to form a more stable gel that prevents the separation of the water from the yogurt during storage. After pasteurization, the milk mixture is then homogenized to ensure that all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed to improve consistency. The mixture is then cooled to between 40 and 45 degrees centigrade. This is the ideal growth temperature for the starter culture. The starter cultures are added to the cooled mixture to begin the fermentation process. The desired temperature range and a pH of 4.5 is maintained during this time. After several hours, the yogurt is cooled to 4 degrees centigrade to stop the fermentation process. Depending on the type of yogurt desired, fruits and flavors are added at different steps.